This video is for those who will attempt to fix their fridge in a Caravan. Now, so what you see here is your power distribution board. This decides on whether your fridge will work on 230 volts, your gas, or 12 volts. Now, I did had a little bit of malfunction. I just realized something. Hold on. See this? I had a malfunction with my 12 volt solar panel. I believe it just triggered something and it caused a lot of damage, including that fuse board. So the fuse board, I got it sent to a company in UK to get it investigated. They couldn't fix it, so I had to get a new one. After I've got a new one, I did connected everything as it's supposed to be, but unfortunately the fridge still wasn't working, and as you can see, I think we found the cause of the issue. Burnt capacitor. Now I do think that that's fairly easy to fix. We're just gonna take it out and we're just gonna solder it out and put a new one in. Now I'm recording it so I can reconnect all the cables the way they're supposed to be. Okay. Okay, so for those who are wondering what happened to the fridge in the Caravan, well, these are the pictures. The only thing I can think of is that it was getting some additional supply of power. It must have been those solar panels, and it was just overcharging, and the two capacitors are just fried. Now what I did, I've ordered new capacitors, see if I can fix them. If I can fix them, happy days, fridge will be back running. If not, I'm just gonna order a new PCB board, the complete assembly. I think you can get them. I think you can get them in UK. It's only down to time. Time is my biggest issue. It just everything takes so much time. So anyway, yeah, that's the story. This is where we are right now. I have the fuse board taken out. I was checking whether it's the power supply or the charger. It's not the charger, so I took all the bits and pieces out of. I took the PCB board. Everything was connected in here. I took the PCB board out of here. That's the casing. You can actually see burn marks in here. Jesus, must have been. Fuck me, that was a serious fire hazard. They're actually lucky. We're lucky nothing happened. And what was the fault? I fucking told you. This little shit. This shit. Don't buy this shit. This is disaster. Yeah, it must have been faulty. And I'm only saying, I know a lot of people using that solar panel setup, and I'm sure it's absolutely fine. But I reckon this one was just a faulty unit, and that's it. Could have happened to anyone. Anyways, that's the story. Right, so I was able to replace the capacitors, the ones that were burned out. Doesn't look well. Doesn't look well, but I think it might do the job. Alright, so time to put the assembly back together.